was a good opener, huh? All right. Let me start my intro again. I think I messed up on it. Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Vu. If you guys know me, if you guys don't know me, then my name is Hoa Zong. I'm joking. My name is Andrew Vu, and of course, I'm gonna go ahead and run through the basic with you guys. If you guys need to use the restroom, it's just straight out the back. You go to the right. We have food for sale. Dollar Nava, which is delicious. We have 3 sesame balls for $1, and papaya for $5. If you have cell phones, please silence them. And I'm gonna bring up the next performers. They've been performing at SAC New Year's and all events around the regional area. They consist of 6 girls, and basically, like they've been a very good community participant, and they hold pride in their dances. So without further ado, I want to invite up to the stage Ntxhais Tiaj Tus.
嗱弄啦，個順鬧咯，嗱。 đọc á nhà tàu tôi đi cái tàu đi con